Hello everyone, welcome back to the Atharva GATE Academy. Myself Chinmay Dhadu, and today in this video I am going to give you basic information about GATE. So let us start. First of all, what is the full form of GATE? The full form of GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Okay? So this GATE exam is for graduate student. But if you are in the final year of engineering, then you can also appear for the GATE. Okay? Now, GATE is conducted by Indian Institute of Science means IISc, which is in Bangalore, and 7 Indian Institutes of Technologies means IITs, which is at Roorkee, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras and Bombay. Each institute set the paper of GATE one by another, means alternately they set the paper. For example, GATE 2019 is going to be conducted by IIT Madras. Now what is the purpose? Means why you should appear for GATE. So there are two purposes for which you should appear for GATE. GATE is taken as an entrance exam for postgraduate engineering admissions. So if you want to go for ME or MTech from any IITs or NITs, then you should definitely go for GATE. And second purpose is screening for entry-level engineering jobs like PSU. So GATE is taken as a primary criteria for the interview of any PSU's company, and PSU consists most of the government company, right? Now the GATE exam is online exam, so you have to go to the any nearby center that you have chosen into the application form, and at that center one PC will be given to you, and you only will be allowed to use mouse, not the keyboard. So using that mouse you have to answer all the questions, and for rough work one diary will be given to you. The GATE question paper totally carries 100 marks. There are 65 questions, among which 30 questions carries 1 mark and 35 questions carries 2 mark. So the marks of these 30 questions will be 30, right? And the total marks of these 35 questions will be 35 into 2 means 70. So total will be 100 marks, right? And you will be given 3 hours to complete 65 questions. Means you have 180 minutes for 65 questions. So nearly you have 3 minutes per one questions. Now among 65 questions, some questions are MCQ based questions, means there will be 4 options and you have to select one out of 4. And in some questions you have to write answer in form of numerical value. Means suppose your answer is 0.5, then you have to write 0.5 in the screen. Okay? Now there are also negative marking in the GATE exam. Negative marking is only for the MCQ based questions. There are no negative markings in the questions that you have to write in the screen in form of numerical value. Okay? So if your MCQ carry 1 mark, then 0.33 marks will be negative from your existing mark. And if your MCQ carries 2 marks and if you take wrong answer, then 0.66 marks will be negative from your existing marks. So we can say that the 1/3 mark will be negative if you take any wrong answer, right? Now let's say if you are not sure about any question and you do not take any option from given 4 options, then there will be no negative marking for that. Okay? So I hope it is clear to you. Now there are 2 parts in GATE. One is non-technical part and one is technical part. In non-technical part there is aptitude and engineering mathematics. And in technical part there are subjects related to your engineering field. Here I have written the subjects for mechanical engineering. Okay? Now in non-technical part aptitude carries 15 marks and there are 10 questions of aptitude. 5 questions carries 1 mark and 5 questions carries 2 marks. So total marks will be 15. In aptitude section, there are also verbal questions of 3 to 4 marks. Engineering mathematics carries 15 marks, in which there is 5 questions carries 1 mark and 5 questions carries 2 marks. So total is 15 marks. Okay? So the total non-technical part carries 30 marks. Right? So you have to more focus on these 2 sections. Okay? So the non-technical part carries 30 marks and technical part carries 70 marks. Okay? So today we will stop here. and further we will discuss in other videos. And if you are first time in this channel, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.